He likes to feel more secure. That one, I thought, like when I fell, I was like, oh, all right, I'm gonna be a piñata here for a minute. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is our final day here at sea on board the Carnival Sunshine. This is what we're looking at today. The beautiful, beautiful ocean. Moving nice and easy, heading towards Port Canaveral. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Josh. I have been doing this series for the entire cruise. I do a whole bunch of other series, so definitely go and check those out in the playlist tab. And do make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, so that you can get more of these cruise vlogs, because we try and do them almost constantly. We have one go on the air on Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you do check that out. Now, today for our last sea day, I do want to try and do as much as we can, the best of this cruise. So we're definitely going to try and do the ropes course. It doesn't feel too windy. Yeah, it doesn't feel too windy, so it should be open. We're going to definitely try and do the water slides, maybe go down to the Red Frog Pub. We had some fun down there. Definitely get a guy's burger for lunch. I'm definitely feeling a guy's burger for lunch. And yeah, guys, just hang out and enjoy this last fun day at sea. Now, I'm not going to lie, right now it's about 11:25. We did sleep in a little bit, but that's all right, you know? Because tomorrow we're definitely not sleeping in. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy, crazy, go, go, go. I am flying home tomorrow, so tomorrow will actually be the last day of this series for you guys, but that's okay. We're not talking about that yet. We're getting ready to go have some fun. I think we're gonna try and knock out the ropes course first, just to make sure that sea conditions don't change and the wind conditions don't change. We're gonna try and knock that out and maybe then get some lunch. All right, let's get this day rolling. That was a lot of fun. Oh, look at that. 15 minutes exactly. 15 minutes exactly. That was a lot of fun. Peter definitely would not have liked that. He likes like a secure, he likes to feel more secure. That one, I thought, like when I fell, I was like, oh, all right, I'm gonna be a piñata here for a minute. I was able to pull myself back up, but I'm not saying that I'm fit, but definitely a person that's not fit would not be able to pull themselves back up. That's for sure. You wanna get some lunch? Let's do it, let's get some lunch. All right, let's see what they got. Huh? Oh yeah, the chocolate extravaganza. Chocolate lemon cake, ooh.
Chocolate diet cake.
Wow, look at that one up there. Looks like some good stuff on here, actually.
Yeah, you know what? That's all.
What are you thinking?
No, that's good.
It looks like some good stuff on that. I mean, I definitely want a guy's burger.
Yeah,
but
let's have a little bit of that and then grab a guy.
all right. Thank you.
Maybe I'll grab some of this.
We just had a little bit of this stuff over here. Peter wants to come over and look at the chocolate buffet. Oh, down there's all the dipping stuff.
Oh, hello. Good. How are you doing?
Nice to see you. A swan? Mmm.
And I will make a swan.
Oh man, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe I'll get some of this.
I think we're just, yeah, the line's down here. Oh, they got the fruit dipping and... Ooh, whoa.
I just noticed that ice sculpture.
Yeah, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get? Is she gonna make you a swan? Are you gonna get a swan?
Oh, I had so much ice cream this cruise. I don't know.
Day now. Woo! How was it? Last one. Oh, it's so sad. So sad. What an amazing cruise though. Guy's Burgers here. If you're on a cruise and Guy's Burgers is on it, which it should be, if you're on a Carnival trip, I think there's like 2 or 3 that don't have it. Make sure you get one, it's delicious. Alright, that's it. Last lunch. All done. That's so sad. Always so sad, that last lunch. No. Let's play later. We can't play later. We get off tomorrow. That sucks. Guys, we're really trying to stay happy, but just about everybody on this boat has a rather upset look on their face for good reason. Getting off tomorrow. But this is just a little bit upsetting. We wanted to do the well, guys, I tried. I'm sorry. But we're gonna come back here and do the water slides, but they're all shut down. Well, now we gotta go look at the fun time and see what we can do. Because I'm at a loss now. We literally just got back here in the room. Peter's phone buzzed and said, time to check in for your flight. That's bad though. That's really, really bad. Because my flight was open almost an hour and 20 minutes ago. My flight was open for... I'm gonna have like C73. It's gonna be my call number. Great. Just great. Oh my god, looks like a lot of people had the same idea.
Right.
Shoot. Stress starts now. So, thank you Carnival for allowing the airlines websites to, you know, not be put in your free sites so people can't check in for their flights. Go team. Make it really hard for me to make you sound good when you do stuff like this. So I just have to check in. Peter said it good though. Luckily, we're single riders, so we can just go wherever. It doesn't really matter. I don't know. I like to go ahead and get that done with. It's one step out of the way, you know, but can't do it on here.
You should tell them though that it's $16 for the one day.
Oh yeah, it's $16 for the one-day price.
But Southwest has auto check in for 15.
For 15, yeah. You can Southwest can auto check you in for 15. We already did the lot. And don't you get like Group A or something?
Yeah, you're like the first. You're like priority.
Oh man, should have done it. We should have. We just weren't thinking. If we'd have thought about it, we'd have done it.
Right.
Let's look at these T-shirts really quick. See what they got. See if they got anything good. Oh, the 2 for $20's back. Oh. Oh wow, that one's pretty.
Oh yeah.
Cruising the Caribbean.
Huh.
My mom usually gets a bunch of these. That one's not bad, Peter.
Yeah.
That one's pretty. Peter got a photo. He got one photo. Because we had one gift. He had one gift. They gave him a photo, like a gift card. For, oh, we can't use that one because he's using it. They gave him a photo gift card because it's his birthday, so he got $12 off his $21 photo. Everson. Oh man, Everson is so funny. Dr. E. Have you guys sailed with Dr. E? He's super funny. I haven't got the chance to sail with him, but I've seen a lot of videos about him, heard a lot of great stories about him, so he's a great guy. We just finished watching the debarkation presentation. Oh, I don't even know why I watched it. I don't even know why I watched it. I mean, I knew, you know, pretty much everything that we had to do, but so we looked at the fun times. Not a whole lot going on between now and dinner, but a lot going on this evening. So I think we're actually going to take this time and kind of pack up and get things settled and get, you know, just ready to leave the Carnival sunshine tomorrow, because we're definitely not going to be able to do it. We literally have a full schedule from, what, 7:30 until like 11:30. Yeah. 11:30, 12 o'clock. We have a full schedule. So, you know, I mean, like, we're going to be squeezing stuff in. So we definitely need to go ahead and do that packing now, so we're not coming back at midnight and trying to pack. So I guess that's what we'll do a little bit, and then we'll catch back up with you guys in a bit. I know it looks like a mess. This is what we got going on, okay? It's been like maybe 2 hours now. I'm gonna be honest with you, Peter's sick. Peter really is sick. He's got like a head cold or something going on, so I need to let the guy rest. So I did. I let him get some rest, and I partook in some rest as well. And you know, we at the same time we also packed up. So I think I've gotten everything that I can get. Do you guys ever like double, triple, quadruple, like check stuff? Like, you know, I'm always like walking around finding stuff that I was like, oh, I guess I could go ahead and pack that. The trouble is with the electronics, like this is like our electronics bay here. And, you know, like I need camera batteries. I need battery backup, because actually here's a pro tip. Since there's no outlets by the bed, take your battery backup, charge it at night, set it by your bed at night. You have an outlet by the bed. You can buy like a $5 one from Five Below or something, and that can just be your dedicated, you know, nightstand battery or what have you. So there's a pro tip for you. That's what I do at night. So, but I need that tonight. So I think I've packed up everything, you know, that I can pack up. I've left out, you know, a shirt for tomorrow. I'm gonna be wearing my JH Cruise Crew. I love this one because it's the JH is like a gradient, so it's like blue and white, like depending on how you look at it. It's really cool. And then it just says, well, I guess I can go ahead and open it up for you. Throw it out here. There you go. Yeah. So it says Cruise Crew on it. If you're a cruiser, you're part of the crew, go ahead and go over and get you a shirt. JoshHokum.com. It's got the cool pocket logo there for you. Really nice stuff. Don't forget about the sunglasses, the buy two deal. Make sure you head over and get those too. Alright, I'm done plugging. That's it. I'm done. And then I left out, you know, I'm going to be wearing these shorts tomorrow and those shoes. So, beyond that, I'm wearing those shoes down there tonight. I'm wearing this shirt and these pants tonight. So, I'm actually going to get ready and throw this shirt and these, well, not these socks. This shirt, then I'll be throwing that in the suitcase. And then I think we're ready to set it out. And Carnival did, I don't know if it's on platinum or if this is another like thing they're doing, like, but they gave us priority. Oh, hold on just a second. Hello?
I'll be back, Joe.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
Hey, how are you? We're gonna be out in like literally like 10 minutes.
No problem.
Okay? Thank you. Oh, I made. So nice. That's our guy's name. His name is I Made. How did he introduce himself the first time? He was like, I made the bed, and my name is also I Made. I was like, oh, okay. So anyway, we're almost packed up here. I think I've got what I can get, and just wanted to give you guys a little update and let you know how we're doing and what we're doing. So we're gonna get ready right now. It's like 7. I think it's just that. Yeah, it's 7:05 right now. Lip sync battle's at 7:30. So we're gonna go down, check out lip sync battle. Then we're gonna do dinner. Now they do have an 80s music trivia in the atrium, but we're like, look, if we did that, we would not be eating until like I don't know that we would eat tonight. So we're gonna have to skip that. Maybe we'll catch like a briefing of it as we're leaving Lip Sync Battle. There he is. So, and then after that we have 2 comedy shows, and that should finish out the night for us, and maybe we'll grab pizza tonight. So, full pack night. Make sure you strap your seatbelt. Literally, guys, this time 1 week ago, we would have just set sail. It's so sad to think about. That's the cool thing about the 8 days, is you really are on for a full week, you know? You get that full experience. I just had to pop outside. I know we're already late. We're already late to, well, we're not late, we're gonna be. It's 7:24, it shows at 7:30 to Lip Sync Battle, but I just had to come out one last time, see the ocean all lit up. Oh, we're churning right now, Peter. Huh? Yeah, that's the Abaco Islands. Oh my God, look how close. My goodness, we are so close. Wow. What movie is showing tonight? Oh, Peter Rabbit and Coco. Yeah, look, right there's land. Wow. Oh, and we're churning right now.
We're heading towards...
Yeah, now we're heading towards Florida. Aww. That's so sad. Wow, what a great cruise.
It really was.
Overall, we just said, you know, the spa was probably the #1 kind of about the whole thing, you know? It was either one room was always broken, and then there was just, you know, it was very small for what it is. Like some of the other ships, it's much, like look at the Splendor Spa. Oh my gosh, I wish you had seen that one. The Splendor Spa was beautiful, so nice. Oh. Alright, this will probably be the last time we see it daylight out here. Goodbye, ocean. I'll see you real soon. I love you. Next time. I can't even say it. This part really sucked. What's happening? That was the Maitre D himself. You don't want to throw $30 more off the ship? I'm not leaving. I'm gonna find some place to hide. That's it.